truck is just showing up, man, crushing it.
Lead surfer trees, but we make it work.
Yeah, dude.
Until we cut her in half.
Heck yeah, man. Is that the next step or what?
Yeah, it'll be a while, but
yeah, enjoy it, dude.
Finish work first. Center console, you know, little Morgan design sheet metal.
Yeah, MCD1 stuff.
Yeah.
You know what, man? Honestly, I think the leaf spring stage of a pre-runner is just, I don't know, it's awesome. I love it. You don't have to worry about a bunch of crap, you know, just have fun.
Yeah.
Ava, how you having fun, hun? You good? Yeah, Ava. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Our buddy Nick Hill took a bit of a spill over this witch eye. Oh man.
Dude, it hit hard.
You alright?
Boom, yeah, I'm good. I'm just bummed, dude. Like, at work, you know?
Yeah.
Radiator's trash.
This is what happens, dude.
Yeah.
You know? The lighting, the casting, the shadows, it's hard to tell the depth of like...
What happened? Like, the sun was in my eyes, dude. When I rolled out of it, they were still kind of sparkly, you know, my eyes. And I couldn't see it. It just fell off.
So do you want to try?
Just pull it. We have to try and pull it out, dude. It won't crank.
No problem. Wow.
Got it.
Dude. I know. It's like effortlessly. It's like, what?
It's like a cheat code.